Hello everyone, I'm Hilary Chin. Thank you all so much for coming and watching my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you guys spending time to follow as I teach daily. Please do make sure that you go up above my head here and click that video. That video was designed to show you briefly on how to analyze data using GoogleSheet. But today I want to show you how to filter using GoogleSheet, okay, using colors. Now, filtering in GoogleSheet is very important because filtering here allows you to choose specific data at a specific time. As you work with data, both large and small data, each time you're analyzing data, you will need to select specific data, and filtering using colors here allows you to quickly identify data amongst large data sets. For instance, if you're working with price or profit, you want to find out high profit, middle profit, and low profit. Or you want to find out high price, middle price, and low price. That way, you can use colors to easily identify or easily send instructions to management or one of your colleagues to be able to understand how to easily pick out this data by just using colors. Okay? And this is an amazing practice which I advise you to make sure that you study it and start using it in your career and also in your workplace. Please don't forget to go down below here, click that link and join our WhatsApp group, and also you find some links where you find other videos that we had made. Please, let's go in there. Let me show you what I mean. So right here, we are in our data here. This is GoogleSheet. Make sure that you have an internet to be able to access your GoogleSheet. And I'm going to put this data down below this comment section for you to have access. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that when we finish this. So right here, we want to do our filtering using colors. If you look at this data here, the first thing I have to do is click inside the data, not outside. Okay, this data starts from E, it goes right from E to A. So what I'm going to do is click anywhere within the data, and then I go up to data here, this option, and then I create a, it says create a filter, and I click. You see that once I put my filter on, it automatically brings me these small triangles that you see here. Okay, we have some small triangles here. These are the triangles. It shows that we have created filters. And like I said, filter here is just to select what you need at the moment and keep the rest out. And today we are going to be using color. But if I come to each of these triangles here and I click, you see that it says sort. We'll be talking about sort in other videos. So it says filter by color. So when I come here, you see that it has two kinds of filter. It has fill color and text color. So we are going to be activating this now and then use it to filter our data. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to this data. I'm going to come to technology. Let's say we want to find out only about technology, and we want to give technology some specific colors. Okay, I'm going to click, select all these. This is technology. I'm going to come up here. Now I want to do a fill color. It means I want to color the environment of that text, of this text. Okay, so I'm going to come to this small bucket here, and then I click. It gives me different colors. Okay, I'm going to choose green. When I choose this green here, I come again to where I have more technology. I click here. I press my control button down and I click technology. It allows me to click many or select many technology here, and then I still color it with green. Okay, and then also now I go to office supply here, and then I color it with maybe something different. Let me say I color it with yellow. Okay, and then I press my control button down and then I select multiple office supplies here, and then I color them. Okay, and then I come here again, I color them with yellow. Perfect. So now, assuming that this data here has different kinds of colors, and maybe I want to just select do filters by colors. If I come here again and I click and I come filter by color and I come here, you see that this fill color now is on because I have applied a green color and yellow color. Okay, and amazingly we already have a default color that is white that we can see here. Okay, so right here you see that once I color this space, give these different colors, it automatically turn the fill color on. So let's say I want to just select data based on the colors. I just click green. Okay, you see that it goes and pick only those items that are colored with green. This is very important when you're working with data. It helps you a lot. You can be able to highlight a particular figure, a particular letter, a particular data set at a particular time, and then you give these colors names such that when you send it to management, management understands that when they see this particular color, it means this. Okay, I can still come again and I go to fill by color and then I choose yellow. You see that it brings all the colors that have yellow. Okay, and let me go back and just put this off. Perfect. I can still select all these here now, and then I just go to the bucket and then I go to here and then it deletes every color. Now of course we applied that on the surface area. Okay, we just filled the surface area, each cells, we colored the cells, but now we can also color the text. Okay, so now in order to use text colors, I can come here now and I choose those values that are above 200. Okay, and I choose here, this one is 462, and I come, instead of coming to this bucket right now, this bucket only it colors the whole surface area. Okay, maybe a range or a cell, but this small area, it deals with text color. You see now, so if I click and I choose green, I want us to have the high values above 200. I want us to color them with green. Okay, this one here I'll also color it with green, and then this one says 266.1. I also color it with green, and then very low value like 3.78 here, I color it with red, and then very yeah, 3.36, I color it with that one, with this one. And then now values that are between 100, you see, and 87, I color it with maybe blue, you see now. And then this one 87, I color it again with blue. You can do this to many figures. Okay, but a point to note is that it's a good practice, and you can send this to management, and then you design a key here. You can say green here stands for, green stands for high values. You see now, or you can still color this cell like green. Okay, say green, high values, and then you say red. You see now, low values. You see now, red, low values, and then you say blue. Your blue here, you can just say my blue is middle values. Okay, so this is how you can manage data, even your filters. You just have to be creative. Okay, now if you send this to someone and this someone wants to see just the green high values, they can just come here and they go filter by color. You see that what we have on is our text color. The fill color is not there because we did not color the surface area. So now we have the text color. You can just come here and just click green, and it gives you all the high values. Okay, and you see that these high values now are found on technology. You see now, you can also come here and then you go by those colors and you uncheck this, and you go back and see how you can check the red colors, and then it shows you the low values. Okay, but of course there's a small disadvantage. You see that it will be missing out from here. Right now we cannot get it because the cells are locked up. Okay, the columns are locked up, so when they are locked up you don't see that. But of course you must have had this maybe in a small sheet of paper, and then you write it down and know that, okay, if you are looking for blue, which is a mid values, you can select the mid values. This could be applied in almost thousands and thousands of data. Okay, and this is a good practice. This is how we can analyze data and show management very quick what is high, what is low, which data has a specific kind of value, and where they can easily find that value. Okay, so it's so important as those of you who want to become data analysts and those of you who are information managers. Okay, so GoogleSheet is a very good tool. Thank you all so much, and only see you again next time. Hello guys, I hope this video was helpful, and I pray and I hope that you guys are learning and practicing, okay? And also, lest I forget, please look down below. There is a link there where you can download this data and also practicalize it wherever you are. Remember, we are dealing with Google Sheet. You need to have internet to be able to engage with this tool. Thank you all so much and stay blessed.